But this is not a my crazy African sister today. Well, right now, this is just her making her food. This is what it looks like right now from Africa. Don't it look like poop? Don't it look like poop? What you gotta say about this food, Aida?
What?
What you gotta say about this food? Is it good? Gonna be good? What? Say it louder. Look at that. This is from Africa. Oh. Did you use any of the tomato pastings? This is what it looks like. No, if you want to know what this is, that's peanut butter mixed with pork. What is it called, Aida? What?
What?
What is that in there? Peanut butter and. Well, I just thought I should show you guys this today. Talking to my YouTube fans. I thought I should just show you this. And I repeat, this is not my crazy African sister today. Just right now, just like when I made Marcus making macaroni and cheese. Just my food part of it. There's my food is like the food like when he makes his macaroni and cheese and stuff. So enjoy. They're just gonna watch. Since my sisters come to America, my dad's whatever dad has her, no dad has her make the food because it's all like make the African food. She just now added the tomato pastings, as you can see. I just came back from the store getting all the stuff, some of it, like the tomato paste. And I think she uses this water on and on to clean the supply, like the forks and knives, spoons. But this is all I have to show. This is all. We're running out of time, so this is all I'm going to show you for today. Bye.